What's up everyone? If you are looking to get the absolute best discount on Hostinger this year, stick around because I've got something really valuable for you. Most regular Hostinger promo codes only give you around 10% off, but when you use my personal referral code, you instantly unlock an additional 20% discount on top, making it one of the highest savings available right now. I have thoughtfully added my verified 20% Hostinger referral discount links in the description below, prepared separately for different countries with proper local language support and currency display. Simply choose your country specific link and you'll land directly on the official Hostinger platform where the discount is pre-activated. From there, navigate to the main menu and click on products and services. You'll see a complete range of Hostinger's offerings from basic web hosting to premium VPS and specialized solutions. The beauty is that this 20% referral discount applies universally every single plan they offer, so you have complete freedom to pick whatever fits your requirements. To make things crystal clear, let's quickly demonstrate with their popular self-hosted N8N service. You will find multiple tiers there: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. I am selecting the KVM2 plan for this example. Once you move to the checkout page, you can visibly see how my exclusive 20% discount gets deducted automatically, giving you a noticeably lower final price. Super straightforward, right? If this tutorial helped you secure a better deal on hosting or hosting, please show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing for more honest, practical discount guides. Appreciate you watching. Drop your questions in the comments if you have any, and I'll catch you in the next video.